Okay, so we got this question. Now look at this, how we will manipulate this part. So you know that while dealing with rational thing, means something by something, we look at this part. So we have cos of something minus cos of something. So for this component, can we club both of them by applying that formula, cos A minus cos B? You know that in every part you have 2, then in every part you have A plus B by 2 and A minus B by 2 you have. Now this is minus. So if it is cos A minus cos B, so you will go to cos A minus B, and if it is minus you will be using second component, if it is plus you will be using first component. So this is sine. Okay, and also you know that for this part we have suggested you guys to keep extra minus, correct? Now apply this formula over here. So can I write this part as we will have integration of 2 times, we will have minus sine first angle plus last angle by 2 means 15x by 2 into sine first angle minus last angle by 2 x by 2. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. If you'll observe the numerator, in numerator we have everything, means every angle in terms of, we have every angle in terms of half, means we have something by something, correct now? So can I say that, like, let's can I say that we have to convert the denominator also in the half angle thing? So do you have any formula that converts the denominator? Like denominator means cos this, I will break down this thing into half angle component. Okay, so look at this. So we have cos 5x. So can I apply this thing, that I will be writing 1 minus 2 sine square. You can go with anything. Okay, right now I am going with sine because my numerator is also in sine. Okay, so 2 sine square x by 2, so it is 5x by 2, correct, which is multiplied by 2. So look at this. So can I write 1 minus this 2 will become what? This 2 will be multiplied with 1, so it will become 2, then minus of 4 sine square 5x by 2. This question is very beautiful, you should understand this concept. Now look at this. So let's rewrite the question again. So we have this. Now if you'll observe the numerator, we don't have any problem, we can manipulate. So we have 2 sine 15x by 2 sine x by 2. We have problem with the denominator, so we have 3 minus 4 sine square 5x by 2. Now look at the combination. Whenever you will have 3 and 4 together, you have to think about either sine 3 theta or cos 3 theta or tan 3 theta. So right now I am using sine 3 theta. Okay, so it is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, same way this formula will become 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, now look at this. Here we have 3 and 4 and we have sine square. So can I multiply and divide numerator and denominator by sine 5x by 2? Okay. So what I am trying to say, I will multiply numerator and denominator by sine 5x by 2. So the denominator component sine 5x by 2. Okay. So numerator may we don't have any problem because we have 2. We have sine 15x by 2 and then sine x by 2. Now look at this. This thing is 3 minus 4 sine square 5x by 2 and then we have dx. Now look at this. This thing will go inside. Okay. So we will have what? We will have this thing. Minus of 2 I'll take outside. Sine 5x by 2 sine 15x by 2 sine x by 2 upon we have 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So can I apply this formula over here? So that we will have sine 3 times 5x by 2. So it is 15x by 2 dx. Correct? So this thing got neutralized. Now we are left with two components, that is minus of sine 5x by 2 into sine x by 2. Now look at this part. You know that we don't fear with sine, integration of sine or cos, but this time they are in product. So if they are in product, then we have little bit of concern. So we have to separate them. Okay. So what we will do, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2 and look at this what we will do. So this 2 by 2 will become what? 1. Now look at this. Do you remember that 2 sine A sine B becomes what? You have same. So in cos formula we used to have this kind of situation. Okay. So we used to write cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Hope you remember this formula. Okay. So if you'll do this, you will get things done. Now can I write cos A minus B? So this minus this. So 5x by 2 minus x by 2, it is 4x by 2. So 4x by 2 is what? 2x. Okay. Then we will be having, no, this thing should be minus. Okay. Then only you will have that cos A cos B will be neutralized. Now minus of cos this plus this. So it is 5x by 2, x by 2 is 6x by 2, that is 3x dx. Now you can send this minus inside. So we will have cos 3x minus cos 2x dx. Okay. Now look at this. Now you know that integration of cos x is what? Sine. So it is integration of sine 3x by 3 minus sine 2x by 2 plus c. So how I got this situation? What I did, I have taken this thing as z, because we don't know formula for cos 3x. So what we did, we have taken 3x as z and we did dz by dx. So we got 3. Okay. Now look at this. you can apply the same logic over here, taking this as y, and then you can change, you will get this result only. Okay, I hope the manipulation was okay and you can handle similar situations. Okay.